Hey, welcome back to the next hill. It's Sam. Uh, this video, I went to Mount Marcy. This is over the Adirondacks again. Wow, this was a cool one. It was definitely cool. I tell you what, like, geez, it was New York's biggest mountain, by the way. So, it was 5,200 feet. Um, very cool, very cool. I liked it a lot. It was over like in the High Peaks area. Over kind of where was that? North Elba, I think that's what it was. Over kind of like by that town, past Keene Valley. Um, but yeah, it was cool. It was a super fun hike. I recommend getting there early at like 6. If you're going in the summer, for sure, get there at 6. I don't know about the fall. I don't know how that works, but yeah, or even earlier than 6 because I mean, there's no reservations there, so wow, fills up fast, very fast. When I got there, which was like it was a couple minutes after 6, 6:05 maybe, and it was already the parking lot was already almost full, and it's a very big area. I again used all trails for my mapping, and definitely helpful. The I forget the name of the person I used, but you just type in Mount Marcy. It's like the most common one that was on there. Uh, but yeah, I didn't take the exact way that there was on the map. There's so many ways you can go, so I just kind of started going my own way and finding my way to the top. But yeah, very cool. The landscape is awesome. Like since it's basically rainy, I don't know, probably all the time there. It was like the whole time when I was there. But like it like made the red of all the wood come out super strong. And it had the green moss everywhere. So wow, that was awesome. Towards the top, there's this moss that looks like a Spanish moss. I know it's not because I mean that I think that only grows down south. I'm probably wrong. I don't know, but like it looks like it because there's so much of it. It like encompasses the whole tree, hangs down like everywhere. It's super cool. But yeah, I mean, I didn't get to see anything at the top. But when you're at the top, and if it's like windy or anything like stormy, wow! Hope you don't have a hat because you might lose it. Freaking crazy, a little freaking crazy. But yeah, I totally recommend going to Mount Marcy if you go to Adirondacks. It is such a cool place. I mean, it's awesome. It's it's a hike, but like if you pack well and you plan it out, you're gonna be able to do it. Pace yourself, you're gonna do it. You know, for sure. It's a great place, and you need to see it. I was kind of like looking back at these past few videos, and I was seeing what I need to do next. You know, seeing what I need to like work on, and I need to like I need to have more completion of like how I hike throughout the video. I need to from start to finish basically of the frame, you know, start one end to the other instead of just doing it like halfway or so. And another thing I need to do is one, I'm hitting this desk a lot with my knee. So there's that. I need to stop doing that. Two, I need to slow down when I'm like hiking on that throughout the video. I because it's kind of going a little too fast. I shouldn't like hike at my own pace throughout the when I'm doing the video. I should just kind of take it a little slower. So also, I hope this gives you like motivation to do the hike yourself. So I would enjoy if you did the hike and then like you leave us a comment, let me know that you did it. That'd be sweet. So thank you for tuning in, and yeah, I'll see you next time. See y'all.